Good afternoon, parents, teachers, and friends. I am Karthik from class 2. I am very happy to welcome you to our very first virtual annual day. The children of class 2 will lighten up your day and make you smile with their wonderful talent and skills. The world knows you as our parents, but we know that you are the world. We have worked hard to put together a very special show today. This is our big thank you to you for everything you do. Our teachers work hard to help us understand the world around us and to connect with it. Today's event is also our way of thanking our dear teachers for guiding us every day.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Divya, student from class 2. We the children of today are the future of the world tomorrow. Under the loving guidance of our parents and teachers, we learn to be responsible and caring citizens of tomorrow. We learn valuable lessons from you every day. Even as we watch you, we learn how to be. Someday we hope to make you proud. So dear parents and teachers, welcome to the Annual Day 2020. Gracious, thank you. Dhanyavad. Sit back and enjoy as the fun begins. Now let's chant Shanti Mantra along with my friends Vyakya. Thank you.
सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. The meaning is auspiciousness, peace, fullness and prosperity be unto all. May all be happy and free from disabilities. May all look to good of others and none suffer from sorrow. Thank you. Let us go back over the year 2020, a year that has taught us many lessons.
when you're grateful, there's nothing to say, and when you notice the things that others do, it's time to say a little thank you. You can write it in a note or say it on the phone or give a little treat to show your gratitude. You can share it in a post of what you love the most and give a little and have a grateful attitude. A little kind of can go a long way. So when you're grateful, there's nothing to say. And when you notice the things that others do, it's time to say a little thank you. Thank you. We want to thank our farmers and the soldiers. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Here are the posters lovingly made for them. Jai Hind.
जय जवान जय किसान का नारा आज भी हर भारतीय की जुबान पर है।
बहाते हैं, जान की बाजी लगाते हैं। जय जवान जय जवान, आजादी का ताज हो तुम, अपने देश की लाज हो तुम। जय जवान जय जवान। से मत डरो, देशद्रोहियों को खत्म करो। जय जवान।
Good evening everyone. This is Gautam. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan was the slogan of our second Prime Minister, Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri. He gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan to call upon our brave soldiers to defend India and also to cheer our farmers to grow more crops to feed the nation. భారతదేశానికి రెండు కళ్ళు, జై జవాన్ జై కిసాన్. సైనికుడు కంటి నిండా నిద్ర పుచ్చుతాడు, రైతు కడుపు నిండా అన్నం పెడతాడు. Now my friend Guru Shaurish will be singing a song thanking the farmers. the idli, dosa, chapati, pizza, burger, spaghetti, for the food that we all daily eat, that keep us buzzing with energy. Aloo, bangan or vendi, shakkar in your chai coffee, street food, home food, healthy food, that keep us always feeling good. There is someone we need to touch. The farmer's toil on this farm, sweat on his brow, soil on his hand. Oh, the farmer is the one we need to thank. The farmer is the one we need to thank. Thank you farmers for all the efforts on us. Thank you.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, माना कि प्लास्टिक की चीज़ें दिखने में सुंदर लगती हैं और बहुत उपयोगी हैं, यानी कि प्लास्टिक हमारे जीवन का मुख्य अंग बन चुका है। क्या आपको मालूम है, इसके गलने में कई 100 साल लग जाते हैं। ये हवा, पानी और धरती को प्रदूषित करता है। क्या आप अपने वातावरण को प्रदूषित करना चाहते हैं? नहीं ना? तो चलो हम प्लास्टिक का उपयोग करना बंद करेंगे, प्लास्टिक को भारत मुक्त करेंगे। यही संदेश दे रहे हैं मेरे साथी अश्विन, हफ्सा, प्रनिशा, अभिजय और सिद्रा। जय भारत।
कसम ये खाए रे, टिक 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 टिक, प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे, टिक 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 टिक, कसम ये खाए रे, टिक 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 टिक, प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे। अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना हम, तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियां का ये पानी रुक जाएगा।
अगर सुन लो जो संभले न हम, तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी नदियां का ये पानी रुक जाएगा।
कि कर दो रहम धरती का ये दम भी घुट जाएगा,
कि कुदरत की नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा।
प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं, कैसा ये समाज है।
कल ना हो हाथों में आज है,
मौका ये अब ना गवाए रे। टिक 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 टिक, कसम ये खाए रे, टिक 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 टिक,
प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे,
टिक 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 टिक, कसम ये खाए रे, टिक 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 टिक,
प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे।
सिचुएशन ड्रास्टिक है, जहाँ देखो प्लास्टिक है। सिचुएशन ड्रास्टिक है, जहाँ देखो वही थैली, बोतल, स्ट्रॉ इत्यादि सर्रे सर्रे में फैला दी। ना घट पाए ना मिट पाए, रह रह के टॉक्सिक बन जाए। इससे छुटकारा तो नहीं, पर है एक सरल उपाय रे। सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक को हम कह दे बाय बाय रे। टिक 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 टिक,
कसम ये खाए रे,
टिक 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 टिक, प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे।
हम जो मिलकर ठान ले अगर, वक्त ये बदल जाएगा कि इस धरती के कांधे से ये बोझा हट जाएगा।
Refuse to use, reuse, recycle, ये नए रिवाज है। प्लास्टिक कसम ये खाए रे, टिक 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 टिक, प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे। टिक 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 टिक, कसम ये खाए रे, टिक 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 टिक, प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे।
Gratitude makes me feel happy about yesterday, today, and tomorrow. It keeps me happy always. Now, my friends, Ashifa, Divya Sujana, Lohit, Abdul Samad, Ishwant, Sai Kartikaya, Kartik, Sriram, Fanindra, and Kushrina are going to present a skit. My gratitude jar. Let's watch.
My teacher, Miss Archana, is always trying to make the world a better place.
Our class visited a home for old people and read them our poems. In the spring, we planted plants at the park near our school. Miss Archana says it's important for everyone to do their part. One day, Miss Archana gave everyone a jar.
This is your gratitude jar. Gratitude means being thankful. It's a good idea to remember to be grateful. You can be grateful for big things like when you make a new friend, or you can be grateful for little things like when someone smiles at you. There is no right or wrong way to be grateful. Every day we will take a few minutes to stop and pay attention to what we are grateful for that moment. We will write down and put into your gratitude jar. Auntie, why are we making gratitude jars? There are two reasons. One reason is that when we take time to be grateful, we feel happier. What is the other reason? You will have to wait and see. We spend the afternoon decorating our jar. I put all the blue polka dots all over mine. The next day, we wrote something that we were grateful for. In a few weeks, our jars were full of things we were thankful for. Most days I wrote one thing. Some days I wrote down two. One day I wrote down 3 things I was grateful for. It was a very good day.
I'm grateful. I found a football on the ground. I'm grateful. I got an invitation to Riya's birthday party. I am grateful. We can play soccer outside at lunch. A few days later, I had a very bad day. When I got out of my bed, I stepped right on top of gas that I had built that night before, and I spread my pillow all over the kitchen floor. I had cleaned up all by myself. We are out of my bubblegum flavored toothpaste. I have used the mint kind. The mint kind hurts my mouth. Then my brother called me shrimp. I hated when he called me shrimp. When I got to school, I was grumpy. Then I got my gratitude jar, had nothing to write. My day was worse. I needed a complaint jar, not a gratitude jar. There is nothing to be thankful for today. I am not grateful for this morning. I am not grateful for school. And I certainly don't feel grateful to my brother.
It sounds like you had a rough start to your day. Some days are like that. So today is the day you get to learn the second reason for your gratitude jar. Instead of writing a new gratitude, you get to open your jar and read out all the gratitudes you have already written. That's the other reason. Try and see. I opened my jar and took out gratitude one by one. I read them all. Then I started to understand second reason. I felt less grumpy. I remembered that not all days are bad days. Lots of days are good. The last note gratitude jar was not one I had written. It was from Miss Archana. I am thankful for my class. They make classroom a happier place that makes me smile. I picked up my pencil and wrote, I am grateful for my gratitude jar and Miss Archana. Thank you.
नमस्ते। ये धरती, नदी, अंबर, सितारे, इसी के सहारे तो हम जी रहे हैं। प्रकृति हमें बहुत कुछ देती है और बदले में हम उसे क्या दे रहे हैं? विनाश। आपने सही सुना, हम प्रकृति को बर्बाद कर रहे हैं। क्या ये सही है? नहीं ना। तो चलो खाए प्रकृति को बचाने की कसम। अपने दोस्तों जो हिता और वर्षा के साथ। धन्यवाद।
ये हवा, ये ज़मीं, ये आसमां है अपना, बरसते मेघा के बूंदे भी हैं अपने।
ये हवा, ये ज़मीं, ये आसमां है अपना, बरसते मेघा के बूंदे भी हैं अपने।
हरियाली धरती पर पन्नों का हार,
गोदी में खेलते हैं नदियाँ हजार।
नदियाँ हजार। गाँव प्यारे शहर सारे, गाँव प्यारे शहर सारे, पंखी और पशुदल।
प्रकृति के साथ रहे नरवन पशु पक्षी जल, प्रकृति के साथ रहे नरवन पशु पक्षी जल।
इन सुंदर दृश्यों का सृष्टि करता मानव,
हरे भरे प्रकृति का नाश करता मानव,
नाश करता मानव।
प्रगति की चोटी पर खड़ा है ये मानव, अपने ही किए से त्रस्त है ये मानव, अपने ही किए से त्रस्त है ये मानव।
నమస్కారం. కొన్ని చిన్న పిల్లల ప్రశ్నలు సమాధానాలు నవ్వు తెప్పించే విధంగా ఉంటాయి. అటువంటి సన్నివేశాలను ఇప్పుడు మా స్నేహితులు తారుణ్య, శ్రీయక్షయ, దశరథ్ రామ్, కోవిడ్ రామ్, అన్విత, ఆరాధ్య, నవని, సుహూరుట్, ముక్తిక, జయది, క్రిషాన్ ప్రదర్శించబోతున్నారు. రండి కాసేపు కలుపు నవ్వుకుందాం.
మేము పిల్లలం, సందల వెలుగుల సొగసులు చూస్తాం. పిల్లలం మేము పిల్లలం, గా గా గి గి గుడితం రాస్తాం. పిల్లలం మేము పిల్లలం, మియాం మియాం బౌ బౌ బొమ్మలు గీస్తాం. పిల్లలం మేము పిల్లలం, అమ్మకి పనిలో ఆసరకొస్తాం. పిల్లలం మేము పిల్లలం, మా పనులన్నీ మేమే చేస్తాం. మా పనులన్నీ మేమే చేస్తాం. పిల్లలం మేము పిల్లలం.
శుభోదయం పిల్లలు. పరీక్షని ఎవరు భయపడకండి. ఇదిగోండి ప్రశ్న పత్రము మరియు జవాబు పత్రము.
టీచర్, నాకు సందేహం టీచర్.
అందుకే ఇంటి దగ్గర పుస్తకాలు తెరిచి చదవమన్నాను. పరీక్ష మొదలక ముందే నీ సందేహం ఏంటి?
టీచర్, ప్రశ్నాపత్రంలో ప్రశ్నలు ఉన్నాయి కానీ జవాబు పత్రంలో జవాబులు లేవేంటి టీచర్?
ఇక్కడ ఒక్క ప్రశ్నకి 4 సమాధానాలు ఇచ్చారు టీచర్.
అది సరైన సమాధానము ఎంచుకోవడం సార్, తీసేయడానికి కుదరదు.
టీచర్ ఇక్కడ ఒక ప్రశ్న ఉంది, మధ్యలో ఖాళీ ఉంది ఏంటి? ముద్రణ అవ్వలేదు టీచర్.
అవి ఖాళీలు ఉంటా. నువ్వు ఏమి రాస్తున్నావా ఆరాధ్య? ఏమీ కనిపించటం లేదు.
నేను తెల్లసీనతో రాస్తున్నాను టీచర్, అందుకని కనిపించదు.
మొదటిగా పరిగెత్తి రావచ్చు.
వచ్చే దారిలో ఒక బోర్డు కనిపించింది సార్. దాని మీద ముందర బడి ఉంది, నెమ్మదిగా వెళ్ళండి అని రాసి ఉంది సార్.
జయదీప్, నువ్వు గృహకార్యం చేసావా?
నేను గృహకార్యం చేయలేదు సార్, ఎందుకంటే నేను హాస్టల్లో కదా ఉండేది.
ప్రశాంత్, అన్ని సబ్జెక్టులు పైన కూర్చుని రాసి గణితం కిందెందుకు కూర్చుని రాస్తున్నావు?
లెక్కలు చేసేటప్పుడు మాస్టారు టేబుల్స్ వాడద్దన్నారు సార్.
కోవిడ్, ఎందుకు గృహకార్యం చేయలేదు?
నేను ఈరోజు మౌన వ్రతం సార్.
మౌనవ్రతం అయితే చేతులతో కదా రాస్తావు.
నేను మౌన వ్రతం ఇలా చేస్తాను సార్. Kind of fun. Now please watch our feelings in this pandemic period. Good morning teachers and my dear friends. My name is Anvita. I'm class 2 Ramanujam. I miss my school so much. I have friends at school, not at home. And I miss my yoga and exercises in my classes. Thank you. I miss playing with my friends, having lunch together and good time with my favorite teachers. Now I miss all the fun due to COVID-19 and I am hoping that we will back to normal soon. My name is Aradhya. I miss playing with my school friends in the playground. I miss talking to my friends during snack time. Karthikeya. I'm missing all of my friends and teachers. In school, we eat lunch together and play together. I'm missing all of them. Now I'm feeling very bored and sad. I missed my aunties. I missed my friends. I missed my school. Now my home is my school. I miss my Taksha store inter-pandemic period. I miss all aunties, sirs, classes, friends, playing with my friends. My name is Pranisha. I miss physical classes, my friends, teachers, aerobics sir, PT sir, helper aunties. Mostly I miss Krishna auntie and Anita auntie. My name is Kovid. I miss my school. I miss my friends and teachers. I miss classroom activities and miss the playground. My name is Adya. I miss my school a lot. My school is the best. I miss my playground, especially I miss the delicious school food. I even the activities. It's a big fun pool. I want to come back and enjoy again. I am Suhrut. I am missing my school where we all friends play together in the playground. I am missing writing on the blackboard in my classroom. I am missing my skating classes. I am missing carrying my school bag on my back. This is Sriram. In my school, I could play in sandpit. Now I miss it. In school, I could go to PT class in bus to playground. Now I am missing it. In school, we could see teachers. Now I miss them all. Overall, I miss them all. Fun and friendship during this pandemic. My name is Srimanya. I miss my school bag, my classroom and my friends. I also miss fun with my school friends, like sharing lunch with them, dancing and playing together, participation in different activities.
And I'm Miss Vanth. I miss my school a lot in many ways. I miss playing with our friends and having fun with them. I miss sharing everything with our teachers. Once school reopens, I'm going to have a great time with them. Waiting for the moment. Thank you.
दर्शकों को मेरा प्रणाम। ए वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रह तू। जी हाँ, यही हमारी अगली पेशकश। देश के फौजियों को सलाम जो अपनी देश की रक्षा के लिए अपनी जान की बाजी लगा रहे हैं। आओ देखिए हमारे साथी नित्या, सुमैया, हानिका और श्रीमनिया को देश को आबाद रहने की दुआएं देते हुए धन्यवाद।
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन। लब पे आती है दुआ बनके तमन्ना मेरी, मेरे वतन। जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी।
This is Kalyan. In a week, we celebrate the festival of Harvest Sankranti. In various days, this festival we celebrate as Thai Pongal in Tamil Nadu, in Uttarakhand in Gujarat, Lori in Punjab, Maghi Sankranti in Maharashtra. Thank you. I am Krishna Chanakya. I am fond of kites. I am eagerly waiting for this festival. In Telugu states we call it as Sankranti. Shuge Haba Karnataka, Makar Vilaku Kerala, Kichdi Par Bihar, Kitari Uttar Pradesh. Now my friends will be sharing brief about Sankranti across our country. The participants are Yashashri, Shri H. Kartikeya, Shri Adya, Shriya, Sharika, Charit, Diksha, Tarak, Karvi, Hitesh, Charvita, Krishna Kartikeya, Pranita, Hanish, Rishi, Shrita Vanya, Rishi Gautam. Rise, Jagare, Madpot are the star of the show in Tamil Nadu. It is 4 days festival in Tamil Nadu. On Bogi, people destroy old clothes and materials.
belief says it is the end of the old and emergence of the new. On type Pongal, people boil rice with fresh milk, jaggery, brown sugar, cashew nuts, raisins in new pot and allowing them to boil over the vessel. Then thanks given to the sun.
On Mattu Pongal, farmers decorate their bulls with paint, flowers and bells and feed them sweet rice and sugar cane. On Kanum Pongal, the word Kanum means to view. On this day, people visit their relatives, friends to thank them and to enjoy the festival.
Sankranti is known as Uttarayan in Gujarat and is celebrated for 2 days. The first day is Uttarayan and the next day is Vasi Uttarayan. The Gujarat people celebrate with patang, kite, undiyu, a spicy curry made with winter vegetables, chickpeas, sweets made with till, sesame, peanuts and jaggery. Kites, people enjoy 2 full days of Uttarayan on their terraces. You can hear lot voices screaming, "Ye poche, lapet, lapet, firki and lapet" when the kite is cut.
Makar Sankranti in Punjab takes on vibrant dance and colors. Lohri is celebrated the night before Sankranti or Maghi. The people fondly sing the famous folk song Sundar Mugli Ho and perform Gidda folk dance by women and Bhangra by men. They dress in bright colors and dance in a circle around the bonfire. Sundar Mugli Ho, Sundar Mugli Ho, thank you. On Maghi, groups of children move from door to door singing the folk song. Means Thura married his daughter and gave a kilo of sugar as a marriage gift. Savories like popcorns and peanuts are exchanged. Farmers starts their financial new year on the day after Maghi.
People celebrate Makara Sankranti in Maharashtra by exchanging Telugu as token goodwill. People greet each other. Telugu ja ani gol gol bola. Accept these sweets and utter these sweet words.
The underlying thought is to forgive and forget the past ill feelings, resolve conflicts, speak sweetly, and remain friends. Women come together and perform a special Haldi Kumkum ceremony.
Makara Sankranti is celebrated in Andhra Pradesh for 3 days. Day 1, Bogi Panduga, when people throw away old items into the bogi. Day 2, Pedda Panduga, meaning big festival, is celebrated with prayers, new clothes and by inviting guests for feast. The entrance of the house is decorated with rangoli filled with colors, flowers and Gopparma. Thank you.
Day 3. Kanuma is very special for farmers. They worship and showcase their cattle. That symbolizes prosperity. Cockfighting also healed the year, but now it is banned. Day 4. On Mukkanma, farmers offer prayer to the elements such as soil, rain and fire for helping the harvest. People eat meat delicacies on the last day.
Sankranti is celebrated in Karnataka with a ritual called Ellu Birodu, where women exchange Ellu Bella with at least 10 families. At this time, this Kannada saying is popular. Ellu Bella Tindu Olle Matadi, meaning eat the nectar of
sesame seeds and jaggery and speak only good. Farmers celebrate as Raghu a harvest festival. They decorate their bulls and cows in colorful costumes. Farmers jump over fire along with their bulls. It's called Kichahai Sivuru.
Sankranti is celebrated in Kerala as thousand tongue to see. Makara Vilappu near the Sabrimala temple when the Makara Jyoti, the celestic stars, appears in the sky. Thank you.
The belief is the Lord Ayyappa Swami shows his presence form of the celestial lightning and blesses his devotees.
In Bihar, on the first day, people bathe in rivers and ponds, feast upon seasonal dishes made with tilgat as a celebration of good harvest. Kite flying is again something to look forward to. Thank you.
The second is celebrated as Markat, and people release special khichdi, which is served with chokan and roasted vegetables, papad, ghee and achar.
In Uttar Pradesh, this festival is celebrated with great gusto, involves traditional bathing, worshipping God.
Over 2 million people gather at their respective sacred places. Places for this holy bathing such as Allahabad and Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh and Haridwar in Uttarakhand. Kumbh Mela is world's largest religious gathering seen in Uttar Pradesh during December. Also, people tend to perform youth artis on this occasion.
My name is Dhruvika. I am going to sing a song. Ramachandra Prabhu Raghuvansa Rama Sitapate Jaya Janaki Rama Sitapate Jaya Janaki Rama Ramachandra Prabhu Raghuvansa Rama Sitapate Jaya Janaki Rama Ahalyodaraka Suguna Birama Ahalyodaraka Suguna Birama Ravana Samhara Kodandarama Ravana Samhara Kodandarama Ayodhya Rama Patabhirama Ayodhya Rama Patabhirama Nava Nava Komala Kaivalyada Ma Nava Nava Komala Kaivalyadama Sitapate Jaya Janaki Rama Sitapate Jaya Janaki Rama.
ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటాను. అదేంటంటే సంక్రాంతి. మా స్నేహితులు ఇందువాసిని, పద్మవర్షిని, శ్రావ్య, విశిష్ట, ఆర్య, అర్జున్, అద్వై మిమ్మల్ని ఒక పండుగ వాతావరణానికి తీసుకెళ్ళపోతున్నారు.
I'm absolutely speechless after watching those presentations. I really don't know how the teachers just pulled it off. I somehow had the feeling that, we couldn't have done better on a stage and an auditorium. They've done amazingly well. And I have no words to appreciate these children and the teachers and the parents. The way you prepared the backdrops, the props, you dressed up the children. I think it's perfect, a perfect amalgam, I must say, of the children, the teachers, and you. So I'm absolutely in awe of this class and the effort that they have put in today. So just want to share a few thoughts of mine, before we come to a conclusion of this. Yes, this year 2020 was an extremely difficult year. It had many ups and downs. And this idea of a virtual annual day would have been really far-fetched. Last year, if somebody had mentioned it, I wouldn't have believed it. But I think miracles happen, and what you've just seen is nothing short of a miracle. Such a beautiful program. It's amazing how the children just put it up there. There has been tremendous learning this year, and there have been an array of events and activities and presentations. What we saw in the PPT, mind-boggling. How did the children do this, while staying at home? And how did the teachers manage to have the children do all those activities and festivals and presentations? To think that so much was achieved online is amazing. And I do feel really extremely lucky to be in the middle of this team of teachers who've really taken up the challenge, the biggest challenge I think we've had since we started school. It was of not letting this year go waste. And although the children were on lockdown, to keep them going. So teachers, they've gone digital, they've learned Zoom, they've connected with children, they set up a routine, and they kind of were an emotional anchor for the children during this period. And they kept the children socially, connected with one another. Every day in the classes, the children were watching each other, saying hello and hi. And so there was a lot of social bonding. And basically, the way the whole year has shaped up with presentations and events and activities, assemblies, competitions, class parties, and so much more. I think it's been an amazing year. And I don't think they have left anything untouched, in trying to engage the children. It's very easy for children to get frustrated being locked down at home. So this daily routine of meeting their teachers and going through the routine of classes and activities, I think has kept them upbeat. So I rightly feel, it is, it is in the order of things that I thank this very amazing and committed and dedicated team of teachers today. I would want all the teachers to turn your cameras on so that we very aptly turn the spotlight on you. So guiding them and leading them is Mrs. Krishna, the academic in charge of classes 1 and 2. I see a lot of her personality, a lot of her ideas reflected there in today's show, as much as the teacher's creativity. Each and every teacher has put in so much of their creative, energies into the show today. So Krishna is the academic in charge of classes 1 and 2. She totally epitomizes perfection. She's very uncompromising in everything she does, whether it is worksheets or activities or PPTs that are used for the children. She puts everything under the scanner and ensures that they are picture perfect and make sure that nothing but the best reaches the children. Whether it is an annual day or a class activity, she is as meticulous in her planning and implementation. So thank you, Krishna, for a wonderful year, that has gone by, and wishing you a lot more joy and happiness with the children. Thank you so much. Mrs. Shailaja brings to the fore her experience and patience with the children in the online classes. She's determined to give her best and is highly appreciated for making the switch to, from the offline to online format. It's a big challenge. I think she's done a very good, smooth transition. Congratulations, Mr. Shailaja, and thank you so much. Mrs. Adilakshmi, she's extremely resourceful, creative, diligent, very patient in helping the children in the online classes and in her normal day-to-day classes as well. Her passion for the children is apparent in the beautiful content she prepares as teaching aids and PPTs. Very well done, Mrs. Adilakshmi, and thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you,
Mrs. Lakshmi has always been enthusiastic and excited about working with children. She has literally grown with the children, I can say, over the years. She's shown the same energy and initiative in the online classes as well. She gives her best to the children and upgrades herself to match the needs of the class. So well done, Lakshmi, and all the best going ahead. Thank you so much, Lakshmi. Mrs. Padmaja, very methodical, systematic, and very sincere in her efforts with the children. Her transition to the online seemed seamless as she very easily adapted to the new medium. So good going, Mrs. Padmaja, and thank you, big thank you.
switch on your.
Yeah, Mrs. Padmaja, can we have the spotlight on you? Yep. Our back-end team at school of Mr. Lingam and Suresh have been helping us with all the logistics and all the paperwork. So we have a skeletal staff there at school, and all of us are working online from our respective homes. Malay sir, we are very grateful to him for keeping the children going in the PT classes, and the teachers keep calling the children for the PT classes. There's a little bit of inertia, but sir has managed to, conduct the classes very well. Would request the parents to make sure that the children keep coming back to the classes and doing their PT. And can't thank enough Siri to all of us, who's been a big asset to us in this pandemic time. She has made sure that the transition to the online platforms is as easy as possible for us. She's been encouraging us and propping us up whenever we were ready to give up, and when we thought it was too much, she was ready with her support. And she herself puts in tremendous effort from her end and has been a blessing for the entire team of Daksha. Today's show and a lot of the other shows to follow with the other classes, are a result of her labor and hard work and extreme extent of time. She's put in a lot of time in shaping these programs the way they are for you. Thank you, Siri. Our coordinator, Mrs. Radhika, is always there with a ready smile and her very quick wit to liven up proceedings at all times. She's pitched in every department of the online sessions. She's been helping in hosting them, in hosting the sessions, supporting the teachers, giving technical support, counseling children, and ensuring that the children are all there and there is no lag and absenteeism. She's pitched in a lot with the editing and the supporting work that goes into the preparation of the annual day videos as well. Always ready with a helping hand. She's been the support system for the entire school. Thank you, Radhika. And of course, you parents,
big thanks to parents, Anita.
Yes,
the way the backdrops, amazing. I don't think we would have done a better job with the backdrops the way they did. Big hats off to parents. Really.
I think you tremendously dressing up the children, doing the backdrops and teaching them also, because I think we've sent the videos and the lines and the parents were teaching them. I think you've done an amazing job. Congratulations to you, parents. That is next in order. Wanted to thank the parents. The pandemic year has once again shown us that the importance of the parent-teacher partnership in nurturing children. You've been our strongest ally in making learning possible. Without your cooperation, ready support, and quick responses, this year would not have been possible. This year, I think we have leaned, more on you than we have ever done before. And you have lived up, to our expectations. You've been amazing parents, and thank you so much for partnering the teachers this year. Kudos to all of you. And finally, a big thank you to the children who give so much meaning and purpose to our days. especially in these days of so much pain, and you hear a lot of negativity and sadness and news. It has been almost therapeutic, meeting them every day and working with them. And the children have risen to the occasion. They've responded for every activity, every presentation, and the biggest of all, the annual day. They've really gone all out in enthusiasm. So God bless them, and wishing them more happiness. So wishing you all parents, all the guests, all the children, joyful, happier, healthier times ahead, and this amazing team, wishing you all the best. God bless us all. Thank you so much. And would like to take. Thank you, children. You're all amazing.
Thank you, Auntie. Thank you, Auntie.
Children, love you all.
Thank you, Auntie.
You're all amazing. Love you all, children, for the work that you do. But children, shall we ask your parents? See, I thought each and every show was good. Shall we ask some of the parents what they like the most today? You've all done such beautiful things. For me, I felt Sankranti is already there in my house.
Thank you,
Beautifully you
Auntie.
presented, the festival, the dances, the Gobbebalu. Lovely. So shall we ask the parents, if they would like to share what they thought was like, the highlight today? Do any of the parents, do you want to share your feelings with us right now? Because I'm extremely overwhelmed watching these children. So want to hear from your parents too. You can unmute yourselves. You can share your thoughts with us.
Hats off, Daksha team. Hats off. Every program very nice, very enjoyable. Thank you so much, all Daksha's team. Very nice.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It was lovely, I know. I think a lot of effort. Very nice.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. I'm mother of Anvita.
Yes, please.
Yeah, actually, this is not less than the regular annual day program. Actually, they had put in many efforts. I think the teachers and your technical team and the kids also. Actually, it is this kind of annual day is new to them. Rather, I don't want this to repeat again in future as well. But with this again, they could cope up and they managed to do their best. Even they want to make the teachers happy, so they did their best to perform well in the videos actually. And I am very happy and thankful to all the teachers and to Anita Garu as well, you ma'am, because you are also doing your best to fit in everything in this online sessions, like the regular school you are trying to manage and put in everything in place. So that is really appreciable, ma'am. And we are thankful to you for the classes, and wish this complete soon. And we want kids to come back to the regular school soon. And daily fun in this behind my life, I want to go to school, which I can't help it. But still, we are
fingers crossed.
Really, you all managed to do very well. The online annual day was extremely superb, ma'am. Thank you to all the teachers, Adilakshmi auntie, Padmaja auntie, Shailja auntie, Lakshmi auntie, every teacher. I'm thankful, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Good evening, sir. I'm Rashwa.
Good evening. Good evening.
Yeah, it is excellent, madam. We actually missed this activity, real activities for the children's performing whatever you are Ravindra Bharati. So it is bad as a real activity we are missing. But anyhow, you are making the encourage for these children's not only studies concentration, but this such type of activities will be give the children to participate in any activities. Anyhow, Daksha teams I encourage and congrats to management team.
Thank you so much.
Good evening, ma'am. This is Faizan, mother speaking, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, good evening. Good evening.
Whenever Faizan sit in the class, frankly to say, My heart always give a blessing to each and every team of Daksha's teacher, ma'am. I'm really happy and I'm proud of that my child is studying in this school. Really, each and every teacher has a good, they like just like a parents are the second teachers, means really teachers are the second parents to my child. I'm very happy and I'm proud that my child is studying in Daksha.
It's lovely. What a beautiful thing to say. I think you really made the teacher's day.
Randir's parents, we have children to live our childhood. That is what I believe. We don't see our childhood, so we see our childhood through our child's eyes. But we got, because of this Corona challenge, we even got to sit and study the classes as well. So we are living the school life from there as well. It is a great bonding which is happening, doing every activity with them, playing, art and craft, dance, everything. These are all supposed to be done at the teacher level, and we never get to see all those what happens inside the school. We just see the end product. What we got to see, how do we prepare and how do we see the result, the whole process we were involved. That's a great opportunity for parents to bond with the kids, and how do they grow through the course of life in challenge times as well. It's opportunity for parents who are taking care of their children and given an opportunity as this challenging situation to see their holistic growth in front of our eyes and shaping them. Thank you everyone who is playing key part of in whatever way they are helping out in a kid and giving us a privilege to see how our child is behaving in front of you as well as in every direction. Thank you, Daksha team.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am, I'm speaking, mother of Charit.
Yes.
Actually, Charit is having a lot of problem. He can't speak out, but I think he has given his the best.
Best.
I think it is the more support I have got from entire Daksha team. Thank you so much.
I was so happy to see Charit.
I'm Arjun's mother. We are thankful for all your efforts. Good evening, ma'am. So extremely happy with the way the classes are being conducted. Thanks to the patience that the teachers are holding up with such a bunch of energetic kids. Now we know how it goes on in the class. In the class, usually if it were a school and a classroom. So we get to see all that, the patience that you have in teaching, the various methods that you use to instill that concept into the kids' mind. I'm having a beautiful learning as well alongside the kids. So thanks for all your effort, ma'am. And that's all I wanted to say.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Actually, the program today is really fantastic, madam. Every kid in this program have performed so well, ma'am. The program itself showing how the teachers have supported them, how the teachers, their efforts are really good, ma'am. Their efforts are really good.
They are.
Thank you, madam. And we are so happy that my kid is a part of Daksha team. And really, we are really happy, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for reposing that trust in us. Yeah, thank you.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Visita's sister, ma'am, Swaraja.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. This is a beautiful performance, ma'am. We appreciate all the hard work given by the teachers, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless
Good evening,
you.
ma'am. I'm Sister's mother.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful program, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good evening. I am Sriram Harish. At the end of this beautiful program, I must thank them all who helped us. My friends who attended with their songs, dances and skits. Anita auntie and my teachers Shailaja auntie, Adalakshmi auntie, Padmaja auntie, Lakshmi auntie and Krishna auntie for all the care. Sirisha auntie for all the technical support. Our parents for helping us learn and present ourselves. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा
विन्ध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे